Now I would like to explain how to run Python scripts. So we know that today Python is one of the powerful programming language which can be used in to develop number of applications or different types of applications. So this Python interpreter is available in two modes or in two ways. One is the interactive mode, and another one is the script mode. That means we can run Python programs in two ways. One is in interactive mode and another one is the script mode. In interactive mode, generally the Python interpreter will display the Python prompt which has the three greater than symbols. Here we can type any command. It will be executed immediately and generates the result. For example, here I am going to be type 2 plus 4 and press enter. Within the next immediately the next line it will generate the 6. In the same way, I am going to be type print hello. It will and press enter. It immediately print hello. So whenever this is we give the an instruction to the interpreter, immediately it generates the output in interactive mode. The second mode is the script mode. In script mode, we are using one editor will be open, right? That means one screen will be open in script mode. It has a some menu, the top at the top some menu, file, edit. Some options are available for us, and in this screen we write the sequence of instructions or set of instructions as a script or a program. Here let us consider I am going to be write a value equal to 10 and b value equal to 12, and I write c equal to a plus b, and I type the print sum of two numbers or sum equal to c. So these four instructions, 1, 2, 3, 4 instructions on the screen will be considered as a one program, and we should save this program with the dot py extension. That means we are going to be given the program. That is, this is the my first example. Suppose I am given the name of the program ex1.py, and then on the run menu in the above some run option is also be there. I am run this program by clicking on this one. We are able to run the script or program. So it is a somewhat clumsy or complex when we are explaining this one over the screen. So to make it easy, I directly show to you. So in this system, the Python 3.9 was installed, right? I will show to you how we are going to be run the Python instructions or programs in both interactive mode and script mode. So let us see. So here, please observe carefully. In my computer, right? So please observe Python 3.9. Here I click on that one. Here I am getting IDLE, that means interactive integrated developed local environment, right? This is for the script mode, and Python 3.9 64-bit. This is an interactive mode. Please observe friends. First of all, I am click on the interactive mode, right? So you can observe here three get greater than symbols that are considered as a Python command prompt. Here now I type what I am going to be say 2 plus 4 that equal to 6 and I type print hello within double quotes and parenthesis close hello, and we can do some small exercise here, that means addition of two numbers and to print a string. But what is the difficulty here is we are giving only single command or single instruction at a time to the Python interpreter, right? So this one, suppose I am going to be add 3 plus 4j, right? And I use plus 7 minus 6j. I am also perform the addition of complex numbers. So 3 plus 7, 10 minus 2j. So this is the Python interpreter, right? So here the Python execute the Python instructions in an interactive mode. Now I close this one. Simply I click on the closing button, right? Now I go to the Python script. Again I click on start button and search for the where the Python is available, Python 3.9, and I click on the IDLE, right? So this is the IDLE screen. Here also we get the command. So to write this set of commands as a file, I click on file and I would like to create a new file or a new program. Then I will click on file new. Here this one is open. Now here I am write the program like that. Hash, we know that hash is the comment line. This is my first program, and next hash this program, that means under comment line, run in Python script mode. Okay, here I take a value equal to 10 and b value equal to 12, and I write c equal to a plus b. Now I print the result. Print sum of two numbers, right? Comma C. So the Python editor or Python script mode also provide some code hinting, that means some clues how we are going to write the instruction. To run this one, okay, we may save this one. Without saving, we try to run, right? Run module. So it is asking source must be saved, okay. That means it asking you should save this program before we are running. Suppose here we are going to be press OK, and otherwise we right we go here on file and save. That means we save or save as, because save means this title is untitled, saved as untitled.py. So for that reason I am going to give my own name. For this reason I press on save as. It will open the Python module where it is saved in our computer. I will give this is ex1 simply, right? Ex1 because the first example one. So I am not going to be give any extension. Below it shows that Python files. It add the extension .py. I save it. So friends, here we are going to be observe that ex1.py, the name of the program is changed. The program saved in the C colon in this Python directory Python 39 under Python 39 ex1. Now I run this one, right? Run module, right? So you can observe that sum of two numbers is 22. I give 10 and 12 as inputs. So you would like to saw the file what we are going to be write. Again, you go to file and open, right? And the Python 39 directory is open. So here ex1.py is there. Click on this one and click open button. You can get this one. Okay friends, I hope you can understand how to run the Python programs after we are installing the Python. Otherwise, you may also run the Python directly on online if you have the internet connectivity. I am explain that one also. You can go to the Google and simply type search online Python compiler. I prefer GDB compiler, right? So online Python compiler or online Python editor GDB. Especially this is very useful to run the Python scripts. Here also I write the same one. The first hash, this is my first program and I give a value equal to 10 and b value equal to 20 or 12 and c equal to a plus b and I print sorry a plus b and print sum of two numbers equal to comma c. So this online compiler also provide run option, debug and stop option. Right now I run and the output will be printed the below. That you can see I can maximize the screen. So the sum of the two numbers is 22. Generally the people who can run the Python on tiny devices, that means small devices such as mobiles or on iPods or on tab PCs, I prefer please run the Python through the online compiler. Okay friends, I hope you can understand this session. Thank you.